Hello everyone. So today I thought of testing ChatGPT. So let's check how much data view knowledge it has. So let me start wishing it first. Hello ChatGPT. This is Charan. Oh, I'm doing good. So let's come to the point. So I'm planning to learn some data view. Let's check if ChatGPT can help us. I am really liking the way it is giving the information. It is giving almost all the details like how to start, what are the prerequisites. I really like this. So let's quickly ask if it can perform some data views for us. Okay, so now let us try asking something. So let's try if ChatGPT can give us the data view logic to write addition of two numbers with examples. Okay, it started giving some info. The input and the data view logic as well as the output too. But wait a second. So actually I want this data view in 2.0. So it's not a GPT mistake. So let's try asking if it can give the data view 2.0 for this. Okay, so ChatGPT, can you give me the same data view logic in 2.0? Here you go. I'm really liking the way it is printing all the data along with the inputs, data view, and the output samples. Oh, there we have the output. Cool. So let's go and check whether this data view really works in the data view playground. So here, if you see, it even gives the details of each and every component, like what place is used for, how the data view is formed. So let's just copy this first and let me replace this input and let me copy the data view as well. There you go. So you have the result as 8, which is the expected result, and that's the output which even ChatGPT has returned. So that's really awesome. Okay, so let's try one more thing. So if ChatGPT can take the input and provide the data view logic for that. So what we are going to do is I'll just ask ChatGPT if it can filter out the odd numbers and give the odd numbers as a result. So let's check if it can write a data view logic for that. And in input, let's pass 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in an array. Let's see what it can do. There you go. Literally started writing all the code over there. So there you have the input, there you have the data view logic, and here comes the output. And it is explaining each and every detail in the data view. So why particular function is used for, why particular keyword is used for. Oh, here you go. It is giving the alternative solutions as well. So let's see if it really works. So let me copy this input. And here you go, I am replacing the input. And let me copy this data view logic as well. Okay, let me replace. So everything looks good, but it's throwing an error at item percentage. So let's ask if it can modify the error. So basically we'll ask item percentage to is throwing an error in DataView 2.0. So if it can really fix that error, let's check. And here you can see it started thinking. Well, it got something for you now. So here it is saying the error which occurred is due to the modulus operator, which is not accepted in DataView 2.0. And it is providing a new data view in order to resolve this issue. And there we have one. Okay, so it is giving an alternate approach as well. So if that doesn't work, it's asking us to go with a different data view. Okay, let me copy this data view. So let's try if it really works. I copied it and I just replaced the previous version. So this data view looks good, but there is a small mistake over here. So we should just adjust the brackets which Chat GPT has missed. Obviously it's still in a beta phase, so there you go. So we have a minor mistakes as well, but yeah, it is almost giving the proper data view, I can say. Okay, so I'm gonna try one more scenario. So I can say this is my favorite one. So what I'm trying to do is I will provide ChatGPT an input and I will provide it a sample output. Okay, and then I will check if ChatGPT can provide a mapping for us, like if it can create a data view based on the input and output what we provide. Okay, so let me provide the input over here. So I have a sample input which I'm just copying from here. So which has a few details like name, country, and bank. So I'm copying it and I'll just paste it in the input. And then I will create one more output over here. So output string, and then I'm expecting this output. So I just had it in a notepad. So where you can see serial number and all the stuff. So I'll copy this. I'll paste this output to ChatGPT. So basically we are providing an input and output over here. So let's see if ChatGPT can create a data view for us. There you go. So it started writing a data view. Impressive. So it is almost giving all the data. So it performed all the data view logic as well. This is really insane. So let's copy this data view. Okay. So and then let's try if it is giving us a proper output or not. Let's do that. So let me copy this and paste it in the data view. There you go. That's the exact expected output which I want. So let's just compare and see. Okay, so I have this JSON compare. So I'll just copy this output which we have in Notepad. I'll paste it on the left side, and I'll copy the output from the data view which ChatGPT has written. So I copied it over here. So let's just compare and see. And you see, you don't even find a single mistake over there. That's really awesome. That's what ChatGPT is for. It really has stolen my heart. Really. That's really great. You know what ChatGPT is saying? It's saying it doesn't has a heart. Funny. But yeah, so it's really an interesting tool to use. Hope in future it provides more accurate data. So it is really showing the power of AI, what AI can do. I hope you find this video informative. Let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.